Dave's clearly very passionate about oral surgery, which is what you want in an educator. Very genuine as well, like he just, and very practical. Everything that he talks about, yes, we do a lot of theory, but at the end of the day, he says in the surgery, this is what it's really like as well. So I love that theory was always being tied in with being practical.
David, Matt and Prav, they have all gone up and beyond to help us and motivate us and see to it that we are confident enough to do a case.
Definitely, I feel much more confident now. Having done a wisdom tooth extraction, it definitely has given me a bit boost in my confidence. Incisions and suturing for sure, because we got a lot of practice on the big jaws as well.
If you're thinking of doing this course, please give it a go. You will get much more out of it than you expected.
I now feel ready to start taking on some cases.
Yes, definitely. It's very comprehensive in wisdom teeth, so if you're interested in that, then this is the course for you, and it's right here in Melbourne.